Hello, I'm Greg Inman with Next Day Access. This is the Pride Go-Go Traveler scooter, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it and disassemble it, plus a couple of features. Now right here is the dashboard. This is the key. When it's turned on, your indicator full and empty is right there. It shows you how much battery life you have. You have the tortoise and the hare, the speed, that should be self-explanatory. A little horn, then you have your throttle, takes you forward and backwards. A couple other features, you have this adjustment here that allows you to move this back and forth. And then also the seat has a lever under it that allows you to turn and lock it in a couple different places. That way you can just sit at a table and use it. So I'm gonna show you how to disassemble it, take the basket off. Now back here, you can lock the wheels if you want to. You gotta hold your mouth just right. It's not the easiest thing. You can lock it. I usually just keep it unlocked, especially for a four-wheel like this. And then also, the seat comes right off. You pull straight up. If you're having trouble getting the seat off, then you're probably not doing it correctly. It just comes straight up, no pressure. Take the battery off. It's Velcroed in, so give it a good tug. Comes right up. You want to lower this. Tighten that back down. And now you want to separate the body part. So right here, you pull up on this handle, pull straight up. If you notice, I'm not doing anything with this hand, just one hand, pull straight up, it separates the body. You have your handle here to pick up, and then this can be picked up just like that. Now to reassemble it, you just pick this up right here, the seat post. You want to line it up with these green lines here. If you line it up correctly, it falls right in place. You bring this back up. Put the battery back on. And then the seat back on. Basket has two places it connects. So make sure you're over those two places. And then if you turn it back on, it'll light up, which means you got it correctly. Now, one more thing I'm going to show you. If you run out of power, run out of juice, you need to move it. The wheels are locked. This right here lets you unlock it where you can move it freely. But it has to be in the lock position to be turned on and operate properly. And that's it.